Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. 7 prebiotic foods to support digestive health. Prebiotics are a form of dietary fiber that feed the friendly bacteria in your gut. This allows your gut bacteria to produce nutrients for your colon cells, which leads to a healthier digestive system. Number 1. Cocoa. Cocoa beans are actually seeds from the Theobrama cacao tree. Not only are they used to make chocolate, but they're delicious and healthy. Cocoa powder, created by crushing cocoa beans and removing the fat or cocoa butter, makes it easy to add cocoa to oatmeal, smoothies, yogurt, and other recipes. Cocoa and its products are rich sources of polyphenols such as flavonols, which exert antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. These compounds also help grow beneficial gut bacteria, while reducing the growth of harmful bacteria. Number 2. Apples. Apples are a delicious fruit with fiber. Pectin, a type of soluble fiber, accounts for much in apples' total fiber content. The pectin in apples has prebiotic benefits. Pectin increases butyrate, a short-chain fatty acid that feeds beneficial gut bacteria, and decreases the population of harmful bacteria. Apples can improve heart health, and may even reduce your risk of asthma and other pulmonary disorders. Number 3. Barley. Barley is a popular cereal grain and is used to make beer. It contains 2 to 20 grams of beta-glucan per 100 grams. Beta-glucan is a prebiotic fiber that promotes the growth of friendly bacteria in your digestive tract. Number 4. Bananas. Bananas are more than a delicious fruit. They're rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, and they contain small amounts of inulin. Unripe, green bananas are high in resistant starch, which has prebiotic effects. One medium-sized banana, about 7 to 8 inches long, is only 105 calories, and contains approximately 3 grams of fiber and 422 milligrams of potassium. Number 5. Asparagus. Asparagus is a popular vegetable and another great source of prebiotics. The nutritious vegetable naturally contains inulin, which can improve your digestive health, and help your body maintain optimum levels of glucose and insulin. Asparagus has been linked to the prevention of certain cancers. Number 6. Onions. Onions are a tasty and versatile vegetable linked to various health benefits. Onions are also rich in the flavonoid quercetin, which gives onions antioxidant and anti-cancer properties. Additionally, onions have antibiotic properties, and may provide benefits for your cardiovascular system. Number 7. Chicory root. Chicory root comes from a flowering plant in the dandelion family. It's popular for its coffee-like flavor and has historically been used in cooking and medicine. It's also a great source of prebiotics. Approximately 68% of chicory root fiber comes from the prebiotic fiber inulin. It may also help prevent diabetes by raising levels of adiponectin, a protein that helps control blood glucose levels. Additionally, chicory root is high in antioxidant compounds that may protect your liver from oxidative damage. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.